guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a Stitch Fix unboxing for the month of February. A lot of people have been asking me about like my thoughts and everything on Stitch Fix, which is good because that means that people are seeing it, people are hearing about it, and also people are talking about it. I am here with my 8th overall Stitch Fix and I'm really excited for this month's box. So if you guys want to see what's inside, then keep on watching. The past couple Stitch Fixes have been a lot of business casual pieces only because I'm still trying to develop my wardrobe to the job that I have, which is a very business casual or business professional, young professional-esque setting. So I'm still learning. I recently discovered that I needed jeans in the worst possible way. I was down to 3 pairs of jeans, and then I say jeans, but like I was down to 3 pairs of jeans, which were really jeggings, and the one pair of jeggings had like holes in them, and I was like, all right, it's high time to finally retire these and throw them out. Other pair of jeggings that I had, I actually was trying to squat to pick up my garbage can to get the giant ice chunk that was in there, and when I went to go squat to go lift it like completely ripped the inside thigh. So I was now down to 1 pair of jeans, so I wanted a little bit more casual pieces in this month's Stitch Fix, just because I've been exhausting the options of business casual and I wanted more pieces that I could wear like possibly to work, but also like more so on weekends because I actually now have weekends off and I have time to have a social life. Looking at my style card, which has all of the products inside, this box would have retailed for $290, but with the styling fee and the buy 5 get 25% off discount, it would have came down to $197.50. A little bit more of an expensive box, especially for when it comes to casual pieces, which I won't be wearing as much, but needless to say, it is fun nonetheless to get new clothes. So let's go ahead and go over to the try-on. This is the Ink 11 piece Kenidy Drawstring knit top. This is in a size extra large and this retails for $58. Already off the bat, this is the #1 favorite piece out of this month's Stitch Fix. I just feel so comfortable in this. I love it because it can be worn just as is with a pair of jeans and be completely casual. Wear this to the gym, like wearing it with a pair of joggers, pair of sneakers. I really am such a huge fan of this. It's super soft, it's lightweight, so if I wanted to wear it to the gym, I wouldn't sweat to death in it. And this would be a really good fall time hoodie, like if I'm going apple picking or if I'm going pumpkin picking or something. I 100% love the color of this. I think it's really great with the blonde hair and the kind of tan I got going on here. 100% a huge fan. Again, I love how versatile this is. It can be worn with jeans, it can be worn to the gym. The neckline is not too daunting. It's not like a giant cowl neck where you get lost in it. I am 100% a fan of this. I think specifically the color of this is just outrageous. Like I am 100% in love with just the color of this. And it might be a little bit more expensive than I'd probably spend on myself. I think $58 is a little much. I'm not going to keep any of the other pieces and I use that $20 styling fee. $38 ain't bad for a shirt like this. So these are the Warp and Weft Marissa skinny jeans. I'm in a size 16 and these retail for $99. These retail for $98. My first thoughts about these jeans are they are insanely comfortable. They don't feel like actual denim. They feel a little bit more like there's some spandex in there, so you have a little bit of give and pull wherever you might need it if you are bloating or whatever the case may be. I really love the wash. I love dark wash jeans. I think that they are just so timeless and classy, and with dark wash jeans, they will last you for forever. No question about it. I think there's nothing better than a dark pair of jeans and a crisp white tee. I just think that's such a classic look. As in terms of the fit, I don't know if you guys will be able to see in the try-on. It kind of bunches at the ankle, which is usually a problem for me with skinny jeans. Somebody who's only 5'5", which doesn't sound short, but I either am stuck in between the going long and the having being too long, or I'm stuck with like shorts and they're too short. So they kind of bunch at the ankle. Not a favorite thing of mine. I do love how comfortable they are. Again, that spandex really does kind of help in terms, but for me in general, if I'm spending $98 on a pair of jeans, they better be miracle jeans. Like they better be something that just suck everything in and just like make magic happen, as my boyfriend will call them, Harry Potter jeans. I'm not spending $98 on a pair of jeans that aren't gonna do that. They are really comfy though. These are something to keep in mind if I do want to ball out on a more expensive pair of jeans. but for right now, I just can't justify spending the money. This top is from Market and Spruce. This is the Zansia curved hem knit top. This is in a size extra large, and this retails for $58. Now, immediately off the bat, this is probably one of the softest pieces of clothing I've ever tried on, period. It's not quite like a knit material, like it doesn't feel very like, I don't know what the word is, like loosely knitted, but it's very soft, very cozy. Just something that I could find myself totally wearing on weekends, whether I'm having a Netflix marathon, running errands, or whatever. I really just like, it's one of those pieces that just makes you feel so comfortable. I have a lot of pieces that already look like this. As you guys will recall, in last month's Stitch Fix, I actually kept the one black and white kind of striped top that looks similar to this. But so with that said, I'm probably not going to keep it because I think $58 is a little excessive on a top like this, even though this is insanely comfortable. If you guys are going to request pieces, just request this so you guys can feel how soft this is, because no joke, this just makes me want to like cuddle up and like drink hot cocoa by a fire and just be super cozy. Like, this is so comfy. If I am going to be spending this kind of money, I would prefer something that I could wear a little bit more between work and social other aspects. Just for me, I think it's a little excessive in terms of price tag. This is the Papermoon Fayette mixed material blouse. I'm in a size extra large, and this retails for $38. You know how I feel about blouses that I receive from Stitch Fix. Either they're really great or they're really terrible. But I think this might be the Goldilocks of blouses I've received because it's right in the middle. It's not the most fantastic blouse I've ever put on, but it's certainly not the worst either. It's like right in the middle of what I would pick for myself. I really like how it's not too revealing. It's not too much of Cleavetown. It's not too constricting across the top. It's actually something that's really comfortable. It has two different ways it can go. It can be either totally chic or totally badass, and I really do appreciate that. I love how the back has like the cottony material, so it's not super constricting, but the front has kind of that, I don't know how I would describe this material. It definitely feels something like if you've shopped at Express, like some of their tank tops or some of their decorative tanks would be. The only problem I don't like about it is that the armholes aren't big enough. Not that they are constricting or tight or uncomfortable or anything. I just wish that like they drooped down a tiny bit more, but it's not a bad top. For $38, I don't hate it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. And this would be one of those things that I'm on the fence about. I may or may not keep, depending on what else is inside this box. I didn't mean to sound like I was crying. I had the hiccups there. This is the color. I like the color. It's very complimentary with blonde hair, blue eyes. Blue is one of those go-to colors in my collection and in my wardrobe. And yeah, I really like it. It's super comfortable. It's not constricting. The price point is a little bit more than I'd want to spend, but it's not a bad gig. If I don't keep it this time around, this might be something that I request come spring and summer, because I could totally see this being worn down a Cape Cod with a pair of white jeans and like a pair of sandals, and being something that's totally chic for like a, I don't know, like going to grab a lobster roll or something. I definitely am a fan of this, something that I will definitely consider if I don't keep in this month's box. This is the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Abrianna long sleeve cardigan. This is a size extra large, and this retails for $38. With this, for me, I love cardigans like this. I think if you were to pair this with like a white t-shirt, these jeans, and like throw on a pair of like clogs or moccasins or something, I think this would be just a very cute lounge around, run errands type of outfit. You can pair it up, dressing it with dresses, or even, again, keeping it as casual as it is. My only gripe about it is that I don't want to say the material feels cheap, but it doesn't feel like it would last. Does that make sense? Like, sometimes you can feel material and be like, oh, this is of a really good quality, or this is not of a good quality. I think for $38, if I'm spending that kind of money, I want to know that this isn't going to get destroyed in a couple weeks with like the little holes on the sleeve, which, you know, might not happen, but for somebody like me, you just get a gut feeling about stuff. It's not ill-fitting, it's comfortable, it's a nice fit, but for me, it's just, I'm gonna have to go ahead and skip on this. This might be another one of those pieces come spring and summer that I know would definitely work for dresses or whatever the case may be. But for right now, I got a gut feeling. My gut feeling is telling me not to do it. So that was everything that was inside my Stitch Fix this month. And overall, I was really pleased with a lot of the pieces inside. The thing I really liked about this box too is that yes, a lot of these pieces were very casual. Could be worn on weekends, running errands, doing whatever. A lot of those pieces could, but they also could have been dressed up, which was appreciated because again, I am somebody who is looking to build a wardrobe and not just grab staple pieces of 1 or 2 items that I can barely make an outfit around. So yeah, I was very pleased with this month's box. I will say that there will be a few pieces I might keep, I might not, I haven't quite decided yet. If you guys want to see what I do decide to keep and kind of my overall thoughts on the box, I will be sure to link down the blog post that I will do about this Stitch Fix over the blog, and you guys can check that out at Life with Sarah or at sarahlock.com, 2 H's, 2 K's, and I will also be sure to post all of my social media down below too, so you can find me wherever I might be. You guys so much for watching, take care, love you always, and until next time, we will see you guys later. Bye.